Alright guys, so you'll probably see the video of doing the headlights before you see this, but we just called the place and they don't have the parts, so it'll be here in a couple days. So in the meantime, I thought I'd clean some of the stuff up that the shop didn't do right, that I'm starting to notice right now. Like, I had all these wires actually tucked in between so you couldn't see them, and so that way they weren't touching the control arms or anything like that could be touched. Same thing with this side, I had everything all tucked in super nice, but the shop didn't do that. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do is I'm going to jack up the truck, the Chevelle, take the wheels off, try and like drop the inner fender, and push everything back in, bolt everything back up, and then yeah, that way everything looks a lot cleaner than how it used to be. I might start to clean the engine up a little bit too, because there's like dust, like year-old dust on this, and make it a little bit nicer on how it used to be. So yeah, first things first is jack the Chevelle up. Guys, so instead of like completely unbolting the whole inner fender, basically I've bolted a couple, enough for me to slide the wires in through basically. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and then I'll come back and hopefully that should be hidden. Alright guys, so we kind of ran out of time finishing installing these headlights, so we'll finish cleaning the engine bay another day. But we did get the wires all tucked up and all hidden as best as we could, like how I used to have it. We gotta do this side next, and then we'll work on actually cleaning the bay and make it all super pretty, because believe it or not, this stuff was actually painted. Alright guys, well, I started that video probably like 2 months ago and like never really got into it and just started driving the damn thing again. So gonna start cleaning the Chevelle up and getting it ready for zip tie drags and just make it a little bit nicer. So gonna take a bunch of the chrome off and make it blacked out, because I got the powder coated stuff, clean the wiring in the engine bay, and yeah, also check out the sick shirt that Modern Greaser sent me. Huge shout out to you, man. If you haven't checked out his videos, you guys should. We're around like the same subscriber range, but his videos are super sick, more on like the funny side. And they did a video on his Chevelle, 1,000 horsepower Chevelle, doing a huge burnout, so you guys should go check that shit out. So yeah, gonna get to it. Alright guys, well, I thought I'd push record when I was doing this to like time lapse it, but I guess not. I got the old moldings off. And yeah, now everything is blacked up. I still have to do like a couple more of the trims to like really black everything up, but I have all the moldings done. So I screwed them on this side and I just replaced it with the old one, but for now this will do. And yeah, so time to tackle fixing up the wiring harness. I'll probably flash a video on how terrible it looks right now, but yeah, it's time to fix it up, hide it how I used to have it so it doesn't look so atrocious, and that way wires actually aren't burning on the header. Alright guys, so I haven't shown this yet, but on both sides I put the channel branding on the car. I think it looks pretty sick. So now both the cars have Greaser Thoughts Garage. So yeah, and then I put my Instagram at, and you know you gotta represent the old gas rats boys. So yeah, let's get to fixing this harness. Alright guys, so this looks so much better now. So basically I tucked all the lines into the fender wells, and I put the transmission controller where it used to be on the firewall. So now this is all done. Gonna start cleaning out the inside and stuff. I know I'm like weeks ahead on stuff, but I'm gonna be busy these next couple weeks, so I'm trying to just get everything done and get it all ready. One thing I need to do for tech, because I plan to drag race this, is I have these like foam. Here, let me see if I can find it. Alright guys, so I got it. It's this SFI rated foam. You put it around your cage, so that way if you're ever in an accident, your head's not banging up against the bar, and more of like, I guess it's cushioned. This shit's hard as fuck, so I'm not entirely sure how this is supposed to be better than a bar, but I guess it is. Guys, so I got the foam all over. I just gotta put it right here. I'm not gonna run this till I have to, basically. I'll just zip tie it and take it off because I don't like the way it looks, but I should be able to pass tech now. Alright, well, there'll probably be a couple more videos of cleaning up the Chevelle and getting it ready for zip tie drags. Biggest thing right now is I need some tires, because I shredded them, and yeah. So gonna go order some tires, and then I need a helmet and a fire suit, I think, and I should be able to pass tech. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please go like and subscribe.